Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 3, adjectives and degrees of comparison. This is chapter number 3 of your Cordova Grammar English 7 series 7 for class 7. So dear students, as I have told you, this is chapter number 3, adjectives and degrees. So let's start and let's know what are adjectives. But before starting the topic adjectives, I want you to learn the exact pronunciation of the word adjectives. See, spelling is adjective and many of you people speak it adjective, but this word is not adjective, this is adjective only. D is silent. So please speak with me. It is what? Adjective. Adjective. D is silent, so we will not speak here. Adjective. What is it? Adjective, right? So this we are going to start today, adjectives and degrees of comparison. So we have to cover here two topics in a way. Number one is adjectives and second one is degrees of comparison. So dear students, as you know, adjectives are what? Adjectives are also known as the describing words also, right? So when we have to describe something, suppose I'll tell you 2-3 sentences. He is a tall boy. He is an intelligent student, right? What a tall building that is, right? So these are what I have used these nouns which are here in this sentence with some of the qualities. Those qualities of those particular nouns and pronouns are called adjectives. Clear? So what are adjectives? Suppose I'll say I have a red pen. So red is what here? Red is the quality. I am using white board. So what is the quality of that board? That is of white color. Clear? So this type of words generally they will be placed before the nouns for your class. You will read it till then only, that the adjectives are placed before the nouns and in some of the cases after some of the linking verbs. That also I will tell you here. So let's understand first what adjectives are. The definition I have written here: an adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun and a pronoun. Okay, this is very important here, that an adjective is a word that is used to add something in the meaning of noun and the pronoun. Suppose I said is a tall boy. So boy is there, that's okay, that is noun, and you know what is the specialty, how they described the boy, that he is a tall boy. So this word tall is acting as adjective here. Adjective is also known as describing word. In your junior classes you have studied this topic adjective with this name, describing words, right? So describing is what? To describe something, to tell something about someone, right, or something. That is called description of something. You have you got many questions of this type, describes this process, like describe this character in the story, right? So what you have to tell, whatever you have read in that story, you have to tell about, you have to write about that character in the story. So that is known as description of something, right? So these adjectives are the words which are used to describe nouns and pronouns. Now second thing is very important, that what is the position. Let's understand first with the examples and then we will do the position. I have written here examples: tall building, where building is what? Building is a noun, right? And this word tall, this is telling the quality of the building. This is describing the building. So this is what? Tall is what? Working as an adjective here. Second is green rose. What is noun? Noun is what? Rose, right? But what is the quality? How we are describing this rose? That it is green rose. So this word green is an adjective here. Beautiful, this is only what? Adjective I have written. I can add here beautiful flower, beautiful book, beautiful novel, or beautiful girl, you know. So this beautiful is what? Only adjective I have written, because in both ways we will get the adjectives. Intelligent, intelligent boy, intelligent student, intelligent girl, it may be anything. Brave is a brave man, brave soldier, something like that, right? So these intelligent, beautiful, green, brave, all these words, right, are describing something. So that is what these are known as adjectives. Now if we'll talk about the position of adjective in a sentence, generally in 80% of your sentences, when you have to find out in your exercises, you will get that this is before the noun. These words will be placed before the nouns, right? But in some cases it may happen that you will get the adjective after some linking verbs. So let's understand about the position of the adjective in the sentence, that where you can find out. So one position, the first position is attributive position. What is it called? Attributive position. And second is predicative position. Predicative, pre means before, right? So attributive is what? After. Clear? So this is what here in this attributive case, what you will get, he is an intelligent boy. Like after the adjective you will get noun, right? Or you may learn it like this: before the noun, the word which is given, right? Suppose he is a smart child. Okay, he is a smart child. Now we have to see the noun here. Which is noun here? Child is working as noun. Now what is the quality of smart? Means before here, what is this? Before the noun there is one adjective. So when we will get an adjective after the noun, before the noun, that is known as attributive adjectives, right? What should be there? There should be noun after the quality, after that word which is describing, which is adding some meaning to the noun. So if we have noun afterwards, that is known as attributive adjective. Second sentence, this is beautiful. Okay, but this sentence is not having any noun after that. I am using only this is beautiful, means I am telling this thing is beautiful. Now what that is, right? That noun is not given. Beautiful, that is telling, that is describing the quality of something. So that is what? Adjective. But here we are not getting any noun. Suppose I will add here, this is beautiful flower. Okay, so in this case, if I am adding here flower, so this will become attributive, but here this is beautiful only if I am adding without this flower. So what is this? This is working as an predicative adjective. Now things you have to understand, that the linking verbs, I have written here be form, that may be in present it is am, are, was, were, right? Become, it may be become, became, become, any form of that. Seem, seems, it may be seemed, right? And next is look, it may be looked, it may be looks. Next is appear, it may be the first form also, it may be the second form also, it may be appeared also, right? So if these verbs are there, be form, that is what? Is, am, are, was, were. Become, any form of that. Seem, look and appear. These verbs are given here in the sentence, so the word given after that, that is also adjective. Like you seem tense. So that what? Tense is what? Telling the quality, describing about you, that you seem tense today. So today, seem is what? Verb, which is linking verb, and after that we are getting the quality, that is adjective, right? She became happy. So became is what? Linking verb, and happy is the word which is telling us the quality of she. So this is what? Adjective here, right? So these are two positions of adjective we understood here, that adjectives can be at two position. One is what? Attributive, position and second is predicative position. So let's revise up to here once, that adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to describe or to add meaning to the qualities of the nouns and the pronouns, right? And adjective is also known as describing word. When we talk about the position, we can have two positions of adjectives. Number one is attributive, that is what? After that particular quality there should be a noun, right? And second is what? Predicative. The verbs like be, be form, become, appear, seem, look. After that, if some quality is there, right? So that also works like an adjective in the sentence. So I have written here examples. He is an intelligent boy. See, boy is what? Noun, and what is the quality of boy? That he is intelligent. So here intelligent word is what? That is adjective. And here in the second sentence, he is happy. He is happy. So here is form is there, and after that there is what? Happy, which is telling us quality of he. You look pretty. You look pretty. So here look verb is there, right, which we have here also. So look is there and pretty is telling us the quality of this you. Got it? So this we have learnt about adjective, and what is the another name of that? That is describing words. And what is the position? What can be the position of an adjective in the sentence, right? So this was that. Just take the screenshot and note it down. And next thing we will work on the kinds of adjectives. So dear students, as you know that I have just told you that adjectives are the describing words. So we have two categories, two kinds of adjectives. Number one is descriptive and second one is restrictive. In this first one we have descriptive. We have one only, that is what? Adjective of quality, where we describe something. Suppose you go to market to get something. Suppose you have to get one t-shirt. So what you will see there? You will see there the brand, the size, color, quality, fabric, all that, right? So that is what? The description of the t-shirt. Okay, so this is what? Adjective of quality. So the first one is having first part only, one part only, descriptive adjectives, that is adjective of quality will come under this. And the second one is, second part of this is restrictive, where we have to learn 9 kinds. Number one is adjective of quantity. It is what? Quantity. Here it is quality. Second is adjective of quantity. Number 3 is adjective of number. See, there is a difference between quantity and number, that I will tell you when we will do this. Demonstrative adjectives. 5th is distributive adjectives. 6th, interrogative adjectives. Number 7, possessive adjectives. Number 8, proper adjectives. Number 9, emphasizing adjectives. Number 10 is relative adjectives. So in your book, I think some of them are not given, but we will try to do all here. Okay, so let's understand, just have a quick recap of this kinds of adjectives. Number 1 is descriptive. First part is descriptive, where only one kind is there, that is adjective of quality. Clear? And second one is restrictive. There we have to do 9 kinds. Just take the screenshot of this and note down, and then we will discuss first kind today, that is adjective of quality. So dear students, when we will talk about this first descriptive adjective, as we have learnt that we have one kind here, that is adjective of quality, right? So adjective of quality will help us to ask the question about the noun and pronoun, that what kind of. Okay, so if you are able to get the answer of this, that what kind of the noun and the pronoun we are talking about, that will be adjective of quality, right? Let's see this with the help of example. The pretty plant has green leaves. Here I have told you in the starting that we should have nouns. After that will be attributive, and the second stage is that the second place is what? predicative, right? So we can have both the kinds here in the sentences. So the pretty plant has green leaves. First, if you want to get the adjective, you have to look at the nouns. If nouns are not there, so then you have to see the linking verbs, which is what? Is, MR, was, were, is, that is be form, become, look, appear and seem, right? So that we have to see if we are not having nouns. But here we can get the nouns also. The pretty plant has green leaves. So this is plant is what here? Noun. Second is what? Leaves, right? Both of them are noun. Now we have to see if there are any words which are describing about the plant and the leaves. So yes, we have the words also. The pretty plant. See, the plant is pretty, right? So this pretty is what? Telling us the quality of the plant. So when it is describing or telling the quality, so this word pretty is what? This is adjective, right? Second is what? Leaves. So here leaves are of what color? What kind of leaves we are having? Green, right? So this is also placed before the noun. So both of the adjectives which we got here are at attributive position. So these can be differentiated as attributive adjectives of quality, right? Okay. So we are able to form here question that what kind of plant? That is pretty plant. And what kind of leaves are? So that is what? Green leaves. Clear? And because after that there is noun, so this is what? At attributive position. Let's see the second one. The elephant is a large animal. Here we are talking about whom? We are talking about animal, right? Elephant. So the elephant is a large animal. See here, animal is what? Animal is noun. And what is the word which is describing this animal? That is large. This is telling us what kind of animal? The elephant is large animal. So here this is also, after this word, after this quality, we have what? We have noun. So once again this is at attributive position, and this is adjective of quality. This is telling us the quality of the animal. If we'll talk about the third sentence, the child has golden hair. The child has golden hair. Here also we have child, but the child, before the child there is this. So this we will understand afterwards. This is also working as adjective here, but right now we will concentrate on the main adjective, right? So the child, this child has golden hair. Now because hair is what? Hair is noun, right? And the color of the hair, what kind of hair the child has? Golden hair. So this word golden is telling the quality, is describing the hair. So that means this is working as adjective of quality here. And what is the position when we talk about the position of this adjective? So this is once again as attributive position, because after that there is noun. Next one, Kapil Dev is a great cricketer. Kapil Dev is a great cricketer. Now see, here we are talking about Kapil Dev, who is a great cricketer. Now after cricketer is what? Cricketer is what? Noun, right? And before this, this is the word which is telling, which is describing his qualities. So he is a great cricketer, right? So this great is what? Once again here, this is at attributive position, and this is working as adjective of quality. So what is the quality of Kapil Dev? That he is a great cricketer. She is an excellent teacher. Here once again, teacher is what? Teacher is noun, and what is the quality of the teacher? That she is an excellent teacher. So this excellent is telling that what kind of teacher she is. Excellent, right? So this excellent word is telling us the adjective of quality, and this is once again as attributive position. I like ripe mangoes. I like ripe mangoes. So here mangoes is what? It is noun, and the quality of mangoes is what? That mangoes are ripe. So ripe is what here? That is working as an adjective here. Clear? And the position, if we'll talk about, this is attributive position. So let's see the last one. These mangoes are ripe. These mangoes are ripe. Now here it is what? These mangoes are ripe. The word which is telling which is describing the mangoes, right? Because mangoes are what? Adjective here. Before that there is those is also adjective, but right now we will not concentrate on that. We will directly see what is the quality of mangoes. So those mangoes are ripe. Ripe is what? Describing the mangoes. So this ripe is working as an adjective here, and after that there is no noun. So this is what, at which position? Predicative position, because the word are is there and that is a part of be form, that is am, are, was, were. So after this linking word ripe is there, so this is at the position predicative position. So like this we can find out the adjectives, and here dear students we have learned how to get adjective of quality. We can have the question what kind of noun and pronoun we are talking about in the sentence, and this positions attributive and predicative, this you will get in all other kinds too. So this is enough for today. Just have the screenshot of this, note down these sentences and try to solve the exercises given in your book too. In our next video we will discuss next restrictive kinds of adjectives. Thank you very much for today. Stay safe, stay healthy.